My video is about getting rid of the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts that are associated with the website News-yuhuba.cc. News-yuhuba.cc. As you can clearly see, this is a pop-up that tries to mislead you with many faulty statements. Here it says that you need to type the allow to verify that you are not a robot. The pop-up may have the special allow button integrated into it. So whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that allow button, this very moment their browser gets hijacked. First, they will be forwarded to some other questionable content, plus they will start getting a lot of advertisement banners that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So stay away from interacting with these pop-ups. Sometimes they could tell you that you need to type or press allow to verify your age or to enable some HD streaming feature, but these all are very deceptive messages that you should not trust. If you click on allow, your browser will be infected. To fix the issue, go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings and choose Notifications. At this point, you need to carefully research the list of the pages that are allowed to send notifications. Once you find any malicious sites here on the list, get rid of them completely, and basically this should fix the issue. But I also recommend that you check your computer additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. It's important because Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your computer. So download the software through this web page, combocleaner.com, install it, and begin checking your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.